Welcome to my channel, my Showbiz Corner. Viewers, supporters, subscribers.
Hello 18! Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking this video. Ito ang pinaka-good news, pinakamagandang balita at update about sa ating mahalima, the King of P-Pop SB19. Dahil nga, SB19 made a history again. Sa Singapore Spotify ay gumawa sila ng marka kung saan kasama ang kanilang pangalan ng mga higanting K-pop at ilang pop artist sa buong Asia at isama na natin ang buong mundo. Andyan nga kasama ang Blackpink, BTS at kahilera dyan ang ating nag-iisang The King of P-Pop SB19. Nakaka-proud. Ito talaga ang pinaka-highlight at milestone ng ating boys dahil kasama sila. Na-appreciate sila at na-recognize ng Singapore sa Spotify headquarters nila at kasama dyan ang pangalan nila, SB19. Nakaka-proud bilang isang Pinoy. Kaya sabi nila, SB19 made history again and again. Based sa ating research, walang headquarters sa Pilipinas ang Spotify. Only in Singapore and Sweden. Sa Pilipinas lamang ay creative hub pero hindi masyadong nag-ooperate.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regret.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and update. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. God bless everyone and always remember, be yourself and be a good one.